Hook, have you ever wondered why it feels like Acorn takes forever to process your payments? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Acorn payment processing and uncover the truth behind those seemingly endless wait times. Context: Acorn, with its user-friendly interface and convenient features, has become a popular choice for managing finances. But when it comes to payments, the experience can sometimes be frustrating. Delayed transactions, unclear processing times, and unanswered questions can leave users feeling anxious and confused. Main content: Understanding Acorn's payment system. How Acorn handles payments, a breakdown of Acorn's payment infrastructure, including the different types of payments it supports, e.g., direct deposit, bill pay, transfers. Factors affecting processing time: explore the various factors that can influence how long it takes for Acorn to process a payment, such as payment type, transaction amount, and bank processing times. Common payment delays and their causes. Pending payments: explain what it means when a payment is listed as pending and the common reasons for this status, e.g., bank verification, insufficient funds. Delayed ACH transfers: discuss the factors that can contribute to delays in ACH transfers, including the recipient's bank's processing times and potential hold periods. Bill pay processing: delve into the bill pay process and the potential reasons for delays, such as incorrect recipient information or payment processing errors. Troubleshooting payment issues. Checking payment status: guide viewers on how to check the status of their payments within the Acorn app or website. Contacting Acorn support: provide information on how to reach out to Acorn's customer support team for assistance with payment issues. Resolving common problems: offer practical tips and solutions for resolving common payment problems, such as insufficient funds or incorrect recipient information. Best practices for faster payments. Ensuring accurate information: emphasize the importance of double-checking all payment details, including recipient information and payment amounts, to avoid delays. Timing payments: discuss the optimal timing for making payments to minimize processing times, especially for time-sensitive transactions. Using direct deposit: highlight the benefits of using direct deposit for faster and more convenient payments. Comparison with other financial apps. Payment processing speeds: compare Acorn's payment processing speeds to other popular financial apps. Customer satisfaction: discuss customer satisfaction ratings and reviews regarding payment processing experiences with different apps. Addressing FAQs. Answer common questions: address frequently asked questions about Acorn payment processing, such as how long does it typically take for a direct deposit to process, and what should I do if my payment is delayed? Clearing up misconceptions: correct any common misconceptions about Acorn payment processing and provide accurate information. Conclusion. Recap key points: summarize the main points discussed in the video, including the factors affecting payment processing times and tips for avoiding delays. Final thoughts: offer final thoughts on Acorn payment processing and encourage viewers to share their experiences in the comments section. Call to action: subscribe and like. Encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more financial tips and advice. Share with others. Suggest that viewers share the video with friends and family who may benefit from the information. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.